Kilo. They were. Kilo, I'm more than you. I mean, now.
No.
What? You sound like a duck. You sound like a duck. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Yeah.
So you can't trust him, you don't know where he's going and what's he going to do?
No.
I don't know where he's going, know where he's going to be. I guess he's got his reasons, and I just don't want to see. I've been living next door to Kilo.
Hello.
Kilo!
Mm.
Hey there, it was Kilo!
No.
Woo! Guess a wee dance. Kilo! Kilo! Who the... It was Kilo! Oh, son. How can I have a good child and I have a bad child? You people's all cozy and you want to start rats. Now you're acting like a bird now. Aye. I'm telling you now, bite that, Tom. Hey! Look at him. Don't bite that. Look at him. Oh, I don't know. It's one of those days, I know this. You're never right. Come on, son. That know you're all wee angel.